Okay, on today's tutorial we're going to be looking at skin softening. Basically this is the end result. This is the starting image. So this is what it did look like, and this is what we're going to make it look like. So obviously just softens that skin right down. So we're going to cancel this. Basically I'm just going to go through the step-by-step guides how to get this. So just open this. Okay, so firstly what we're going to do is just make a duplicate of the background. With this duplicate we're going to invert it, so Command I inverts it. Just takes 2 seconds. There we go. Okay, so it looks quite weird at the moment. If we go up to filter, first we're going to change this to vivid light, which makes it look even worse. There we go. Okay, so now if we go to filter, other, high pass. So basically you want to do your high pass at 24 pixels, which will look a bit like this, which again doesn't look good, but if you just give it 2 minutes, just waiting that loading. Okay, again, got the filter, blur, and we're doing Gaussian blur. Okay, so depending on what your image is, you're going to want to do it between 3 or 4 pixels. I've currently got mine at 3, 4, looks like that. 3 is probably best. So we'll go for 3. So as you can see, it's kind of softened out those skin tones, but it's obviously affected the whole image. So next we're going to hit Alt on a Mac, hit the mask button. That basically just masks that whole effect out. And then now what we're going to do, take the soft brush, and with a white colour selected, we're just going to draw in the areas that we want. So if you want to zoom in a wee bit here, smaller, and we're just going to paint in the areas which we want soft. Take out those wrinkles, skin blemishes. And if there's any areas that you go over, like the nose there, where obviously it doesn't look too good, we can go over that in a second. So obviously some areas such as the wee beauty mark, we just go around that, don't really touch that. Go over the nose. Remember and get under the eye, above the eye, sorry. Chin. So as you can see, that's the effect. Any areas that you've went over that you want to get rid of, just basically change it to a black, and you can go back in and just touch that out. But yeah, pretty much that's the effect. So this is after, this is before. Obviously some areas I've missed up here, for instance, but obviously if you're doing this to your image, you take a wee bit extra time, make sure that the eyebrows aren't covered, the eyes aren't covered. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I will just show you on a separate image, just to show it can be done for any image. Okay, just zoom in. So once again, duplicate your layer. What I would say is, if you just cancel that, any adjustments, probably make them before you do this. So for instance, this hair that's going over the face could be a problem. We'll just unlock that layer, hit the J command if you're on, oh, yep, if you hit the J, that brings up the so if you hit J, it brings up the spot healing brush tool, and then you just basically go over these wee bits and it will take it out. I wouldn't normally do this, I would probably sample areas around it and do it manually, but just for quickness we'll do this. Not the best. But yeah, do any of these touches first before you do anything else. Okay, so now duplicate that layer. Again, Command I, invert it. Just zoom out for 2 seconds. Once that loads up. Computer's real slow. Okay, now again, looks really scary, not great. Invert, we'll change this to vivid light. Vivid light, there we go. Filter, we will do high pass, 24 pixels again. Okay, that. It's always when you're trying to show someone something, do a tutorial like this, your computer just decides not to want to work. So yeah, get this, go up to filter again, blur, Gaussian blur, sorry. Okay, so that's 3, 4, maybe too much on this. We'll go with 3. Okay, so once we've done that, Alt key on the Mac, hit the mask button, basically takes that effect away, and then all we're going to do is soft brush, just draw in those areas. Sorry, using the white. X is the command to just skip between your foreground and your background colours. So we'll just draw this in. What you could do is draw white over the full face and then mask out the eyes, the teeth, stuff like that, the lips, but I find that quite hard to do. I'd rather just go around it quickly. Again, I would probably have fixed those eyes first, but obviously just trying to show this quick tutorial. Under the eyelids. There we go. Again, we can come back to that wee area which looks a wee bit weird. Any mistakes you make, just Command Z undoes that. Okay, so this area where we have that obvious, it doesn't look good. We can just go up to opacity, take the opacity down to 50, change to your black, so X takes that, just decrease the brush size, which is a square bracket, square opening bracket, and we just go over that, just takes that away a wee bit, keeps it smooth still. So yeah, that's before, and that's your after. Again, if it's too much, we can just decrease the opacity a wee bit, 75%. There we go. This is your after. That's obviously before. But yeah, if you enjoyed this tutorial, it was a quick one today. Hit the subscribe, give me a like, give me a share. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.